Hello everyone, I'm Geet from OnlineBooms. Today, let's understand SEO in the simplest way possible, especially if you're a beginner. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Simply put, it helps your website become easier for search engines and people to discover. Imagine someone searches for a service you provide. SEO helps your business appear when that person is actively looking for it. Think about your own searches. You usually explore a few of the most useful results before deciding where to click, right? But SEO is much more than adding keywords. Search engines consider your website's content, structure, usefulness, speed, and overall experience. First comes useful content. Your pages should answer real questions and clearly explain what your business offers to potential customers. Keywords are the phrases people type into search engines. Good SEO connects those searches with relevant pages on your website. Then there's on-page SEO, which includes things like page titles, headings, descriptions, internal links, and well-organized content. Technical SEO focuses on how well your website works behind the scenes, including speed, mobile usability, security, and crawlability. Off-page SEO is another important area. It includes signals from other websites that can strengthen your website's authority and credibility. For local businesses, local SEO is especially valuable. Nearby customers often search for services they need immediately. One important thing beginners should know is that SEO usually takes time. It is a long-term process, not an instant shortcut. Be careful with promises of instant rankings. Sustainable SEO comes from useful content, technical quality, relevance, and consistent improvement. If you're a small business owner, understanding these basics helps you make smarter digital decisions and choose SEO support more confidently. And if you need help turning SEO basics into a practical growth strategy, OnlineBooms can help. Visit our website to get started.